Now we will divide the sheet into 3 parts. I am using a scale for the division purpose. Finally, we have divided the sheet into 3 parts. Now, again I am using a scale to create two different columns of do's and don't. Like this. In the first column, I will be writing do's. And in the second one, we will write don'ts. And here are two different columns of do's and don'ts are created. Now I will be creating 3 different columns in each section of do's and don'ts. And finally, we have created the 3 different columns in each section of do's and don'ts. Now we will proceed the further things. Now, under this do's column, we will be drawing everything which we should follow in this coronavirus outbreak. In the first column of do's, first of all, I am drawing hands. Right now, I am using a scale to create a small column so that I can mention the instructions. Now, I am drawing a bottle of hand sanitizer. Like this. Now I will show the few droplets of hand sanitizer. As we all know, we all should wash our hands for at least 20 seconds in this corona time. That's why I'm also mentioning this thing. Now in this column, I am writing an instruction, wash your hands. Now our first column of do's is completed, in which we have shown that we should wash our hands regularly for at least 20 seconds to avoid coronavirus. Now in our second column of do's, first of all, I am creating a same column so that I can write the instructions. After that, I am creating 2 men. Like this. I will show a distance of 2 meters between the 2 persons. We should maintain a distance of at least 2 meters to avoid coronavirus. In this instruction box, I am writing keep social distancing. Guys, we all should follow social distancing and should maintain at least a distance of 2 meters from each other to avoid coronavirus. And here our second do's column is completed. Now we will proceed to the third one. In this column, I will be representing a man wearing a mask like this. Now, in this instruction box, I will be writing wear a mask. And here our third column is completed. So guys, we all should wear a mask whenever we will go outside to avoid coronavirus. And here we have completed all the do's column. Now we will proceed to the don't column. Now we will discuss the things which we should avoid doing during coronavirus outbreak. First of all, I am drawing all the instruction boxes together so that I don't need to repeat it again. Now I will start drawing in the first column. In this column, I will show many people so that I can represent the overcrowded place. Now, in the instruction box, I will write avoid crowd. So guys, we all should avoid going to the crowded place during corona time. Now, in the second column, I am drawing hands to represent the handshake. Handshake should be avoided in coronavirus time. In spite of that, we should practice Namaste. Like this. Now, in the instruction box, I am writing avoid handshake. Now, in the third column, I am drawing a man. Now, through this man, we will be representing that we should try to avoid touching our face in this corona time. Without sanitizing our hands, we should try to avoid touching our nose, eyes, lips, and the entire face. But these are the few specific areas which should be strictly avoided. Now in the instruction box, I am writing avoid touching face. Now in this column, we have specified that we should avoid touching our face and the few specific areas. Guys, till now in this poster, we have created do's and don't list separately, and I have also mentioned the instructions clearly. Now we will proceed to this part. So guys, now in this poster, we will cover the area between do's and don't. I am using a scale to draw a column so that I can write the headline. As this poster is based on coronavirus awareness, that's why its headline would be COVID-19. I hope you all are familiar with COVID-19 full form, in which CO stands for corona, VI stands for virus, D stands for disease, and formerly this disease was referred to as 2019 novel coronavirus. Now we will continue drawing the poster. First of all, I am representing coronavirus like this. I am representing this virus as a very spooky kind of thing, which will give a frightening look. And here we are done with our spooky virus. After that, I am using a bangle to draw Earth. Like this. Now we will draw a mask on Earth, which will be showing that we really need to protect our Earth from coronavirus. You know what, guys? Why we are showing this mask over Earth? So that it will give more dramatic look. You can make it look more attractive, like the way I have drawn mask. Now I have shown the eyes as well. So that is up to you. You can do several things to make your poster look more attractive. Now we will continue rest of the things in. Now in this video, I am writing small slogans. Like first of all, I am writing stop coronavirus, just near Earth, after that I am writing stay home, stay safe. You can write any slogans of your own choice. Now just below this I am drawing a column by using a scale. In in this column, we will be writing different slogans. Like in this, I have written, "Let us defeat Corona." After that, I am writing, "Prevention is better than cure." Now you can see I have mentioned so many slogans. So that is up to you. You can use any slogan. So guys, now you can see as we are done with the drawing part of our poster. In this poster, we have separately mentioned do's and don'ts, and in the middle part, we have written so many slogans with some pictures. And we have also mentioned different slogans like "Let us defeat Corona," "Prevention is better than cure," "Stay home, stay safe." Now we will proceed to the coloring part. Now we will start the coloring part. First of all, we will color all the things which we should follow during Corona time. Now I am coloring the column in which we have written "Wash your hands." First of all, I am taking a blue color to color the sanitizer bottle. I am coloring the entire bottle using the same color only. You can use any color of your own choice. Now I am taking skin color to color the hands. After that, I am using light blue color to color the droplets of the sanitizer. Now we will proceed to the second column in which we have mentioned "Keep social distancing." First of all, I am taking black color. You can use any color of your own choice, that is completely up to you. We are just using colors to make it look more vibrant. Now we will color the third column in which we have written "Wear a mask." You can use any color to color this man, but right now I am using orange color. I am doing blue color on his mask. Now I am taking light green color to color these instruction boxes. As we all know, green color symbolizes nature and positive things. That's why I am using green color in the do's column. Now we will continue the coloring part. Now we will start coloring the column which should be avoided during coronavirus time, and that is don't column. First of all, we are coloring the column in which we have mentioned avoid crowd. You can use any color to color these people. We just have to show the overcrowded place. Here I am using multiple colors to color them. And here we are done with this column. As the way I have used red color on the cross mark, similarly I am using green color on the right marks. Now we will color the column in which we have mentioned avoid handshake. In this corona time, we should avoid doing handshake, and instead of that, you can practice namaste, or you can simply say hi, hello to your friends. I have crossed this using red crayon as this should be avoided. Now we will proceed to the column in which we have written avoid touching face. I am using yellow color to color this man, but you can use any color. I am also coloring his face using skin color. Now we will color the remaining parts which we have separately mentioned. So guys, we should avoid touching our face. Now we will continue rest of the coloring part. Now in the don't column, we will color all the instruction boxes using red color, just the way we have done in the do's column using green color. As the red color symbolizes danger, that's why I have used it in the instruction box of the don't column. Now I am using dark green color to color where I have written do's. Similarly, I am using red color where I have written don't. Now we will start coloring this part. I am using blue color to color these viruses. As I have already mentioned earlier that we have to give the virus a spooky look. Like this. Now you can use any color to make it look more attractive, the way I am using red color. Now we will color the earth. First of all, I am using dark green color. I am using yellow color to color the mask. As our earth majorly comprises water, that's why I am using light blue color. So guys, in this video, first of all, I am coloring the instruction box using orange color in which I have written, "Let us defeat Corona." After that, I am taking yellow color to color the headline where I have written COVID-19. You can go for any color of your own choice. Till now, we have colored all the instruction boxes, pictures, and the headlines. Now I am coloring the box where I have written the slogan, "Prevention is better than cure." So guys, now I am taking red color to color this white area. Now we will color all the white area left in the sheet so that it would look more vibrant. I think we all are fond of doing coloring. And seriously, there is no beauty without colors. Now we will color all the instruction boxes to make it look more attractive. Sometimes all we need is a little splash of colors to make things look more beautiful and interesting. So guys, finally we are done with our poster on coronavirus awareness. So guys, as we all are battling COVID-19 together, we really need to tap some effective measures and follow all the instructions to avoid corona. I hope through these posters we would be able to spread awareness regarding coronavirus, and one day we all will defeat corona.